Going back. When you never come over and say me gonna try compete, me life goal or give banks a strength. When you ever pussy up me thing, dog. You see me? Ronaldo, bad you bad me dog. Bro, all I respect. The son can suck out to the mother. Big up yourself in a Ronaldo. God bless you in the youth. Hope your football seat never run empty me dog, believe. Some of them people over here pussy, they never shared me yet, you know. Some of them for dead youth. Pussy them. Enough time we give them a strength and they never yet. Enough time enough for them feed off our energy and not even respect them and give. Enough time make them kin them teeth. They don't laugh for them in them bed stress out more and they see my video. Or sitting them a laugh and they never say give banks a strength. They never grow on banks thing. But true, we don't walk on big strength, you see me? And that's why we ever keep on blank sitting and go and work and say, alright, we are going to work for food until they come. You understand? Pussy, I think I can anything me buy and mow it. If you can't tell them the son sitting over here. And all the energy within the pussy and give man no strength. Suck on the mother, man. Nah, low life and I send man donut pussy. Look at me hungry. Donut I will use man carry boy. See donut there. If me no buy 300 back line, you see a man devil alone, God bust me head right, so. Y'all have fun. We do the fraud and we do it in a latter. Money matter, dance sky hotter. Strength uptown and he get a strong system of pressure, man. Tell them no say so, man. Live for 17, man, and Lego one. You know how far them I come from? See them a been up face like them a yellow, man. Ronaldo, big up yourself again, me dog. Yo. Somebody can just build their conscience and send more TikTok universe. I'm running up and down in the idea. I never get one TikTok universe, you know. If I ever get one TikTok universe, the idea I run and fuck. I'd have shown us me can run. Run up and down to pussy girl. Together we are TikTok universe. On the top of the screen there.
Yeah, I'm going to top one, you see?
Yeah.
I'm going to mic here.
I'm out to mic, what I say? I raise with them. Tell them that one different. Yeah, dog. I just put it down in our content, bro. President, believe, bro. We're gonna. Hey, boy, Javi, what you did now? You get your brain, boy. And if no girl upon you, I can't go run some joke with an idea, you know what I'm saying? I see one girl, but I'm bald girl. I don't want them to get them and say, yo, brother, I'm afraid I get a bald head, you know? Yeah, man, next time we go in the house, I fuck bald girl and then thinks you have 2 man in the house. He wants to mad to pussy class. Me afraid of bald girl like a poison.
Yo.
Me. I don't want no bald girl. I eat that.
Ball.
Me I know a girl bald off the head, man. Look like a little boy, you fuck.
Make you mind, make I talk about Chung.
You carry charger, dog. iPhone? I mean, okay. I left you.
Oh, what charge? What is it?
I forgot.
You man dark, you fuck, man free, I love you fuck.
Hey, the junk. Hey, the junk.
About yes?
Me not hear you.
About yes?
I'm nasty. I just come to say hi and bye.
I'm come for pressure you, you know, cause guess what? Me see, yo, when you don't chat to me, cause me have a career, you know? Yo, because I start my career, yo, yeah, yo, Breakers, just connect money done, man, cause we know a code, man, connect money done.
So me can't name Sam Mackerel?
Yo, connect money done, man, because I can't.
Me I call you.
No, call me straight, man, upon the live, me this, man, do the free link.
Alright, go on this me. Where this me wanna? What am I do now?
No, sir, you can't talk, what you come to do? Where you
No,
come?
me can't talk.
No, man, you can't talk, man, so other black they look different, sir, I know that the black they don't want them.
No.
See, I find yo, freakers find new man ID, you know, see that girl that background of a kids, bobo clad. Hold on, let me jump on my ladder. Hold on, the bobo clad. And new man, I fuck that in a youth. And And him wanna beat him and a female that.
We can buy this, hear some. For Frickles. For freestyle.
No, man, no, you know about that. I got
No, freestyle,
sippers,
you want
dog.
to
No, sir. No, sir, no, that you man, no, get that. No, that you don't get that. No, to such, you get it on iPad.
You want it?
No, you get it on iPad, sorry,
No, I'm
man.
not bro. No, you see, you have to pick the pocket.
Yo, for, you dog, say, I set up. No, man, I see style, dog. So when put on your phone for you, I see style, bad man, I hear that. I hear that, I see that style. I see him, he come off all the live, dog, take away your phone, dog. Come like I hear that, that man, I could kill him with the call like that. Hey, girl, bumbuckler, that to me. Boop! So Frickles can't come live for 3 weeks. Frickles can't come live for 3 weeks. My dog licking piece on face. Yo, I see style. I hear that. Man, click on your phone. I hear that. I see me like that came up on him side, my kid. I hear that I can't count. I can't no girl on him no side, my kid.
One done, no.
Yeah, I can't be clean, girl. I can't. I might tell you, I say, more in a life, you there, son, a cheat on girl like. You there, son, a cheat. Let me tell you what I've done. You there, son, a cheat on girl, good enough and buy me everything we want, you know. And yeah, man, buy one thing, I'm not going to stop that, man. Believe sometimes I'm not at all for free. Hey, no sessa man. No, but I don't like me, I tell that, bro. You there, bad man, I'm like say, you know, you there, so right now you there, so you don't get it, see. And you have to spend $1 million for fucking, and some man fuck that for free. And that me I tell you. Oh, but no, but I saw you go still in the car. Watch now, me I show you. Enough girl in the road when me see when me want to chop off her. Yeah. You see, enough girl, me go say boop in the bro. I want to chop off her, you know. And me have to spend my bread, you know. And the next man have to spend nothing, you know. And next man have that clown that out in the bread. I just say road come down dark, you see me. Oh, yeah, so man, enough time I see at me in the ground, man. Yeah, me, chop a girl for curving in your water. I lie to you, and I fuck no girl for no curving in your water. So I get that low life, my youth. And I can't put out my girl, I love my girl, dog. Oh, I want to fuck everybody, I'm still with them. Yeah, man, the road flashy, man. Yeah. Me love her. One chatty pony gun. My ears say you sell the Benz. Yeah, bro. Go along. Oh, you want I want to make a video and say me sell the Benz. Alright, hold on. Hi, this is Top Bank's president. I sell the Benz. I sell the Benz. I sell the Benz. I don't want me to do a bomb buckler. You happy now? No, it's a long time I fuck on go. I fuck on go a couple years well now, dog, you see me? No fuck go again, dog. And I say no fuck go again, you know. But I don't know anything, go go still, I tell you, bro. I never my size, I tell you. That's first me what take so long to come bomb buckler. Remember saying I have to fuck go in a condom in a dog, you see me? So you know that go, I mean, I wanna like use boots in a bro, you see me? I mean, I love raw dog in a girl pussy, you see me? Fuck one go, my girl pussy. Me not say girl pussy big still, because I might too small. Well, the girl wasn't my size then, you see me? You two would never match each other, because, you know, Me have a small thing and she have a big thing, you see me that? So, yeah, gonna, my hood small, more pussy big, so, you know, you got, so anyways, you know, we are bringing them to away, anyways. You know, disgrace pan to away. No, they will not really disgrace pan mistake, because you know, say, I got bill my too. I got bill in pussy thing, but they make man stretch out, understand? But man, tell her that, last time I fuck one, go, bro. He never end well, man, so man, tell her, how long did I fucking get to find a dog? And to me, I feel I use boots, brother. Jesus Christ. I can't go back. But can't get right now. I use boots pan again. Only when I use boots pan again, unless my mind tell me that I gotta use boots pan. If my mind tell me if you use boots pan, I'm not going to fuck you. As if that means I'm sitting there right. I'm just work with me energy, dog, on my mind. Anything my mind, I'm energy tell me that I'm work with, dog. I'm not growing my mind, I'm energy. I'm mind, I'm energy, me use do it, bro. Power stop the script, guys. Power top. I want to meet you.
I don't know. Oh, maybe on the live of the other night.
You know, I'm the night boy.
Yeah.
I mean, I tell you already, because I'm the under eye in the scene.
I made that say what?
I like Carson.
Something like that.
Oh, so like, I can't get to know, you know, like, I'm sober car. So are you married, single, divorced, or are you without?
If you're high and you ask me that same question, I'm not. You asked me that question, so I'm highly convinced that you're not high or drunk.
So if me didn't know that, I would remember.
Right, if you were high, you wouldn't remember. That's the thing.
No, but I never remember what you said. What did you say, singer?
It's everything in a one.
No, just be real with me now. Like, me just want to try to get to know you. You could be my future wife, and then you say an internet relationship or anything now. You just look at you look your partner live over the internet. We don't talk nothing in secret anymore, you understand?
Right.
See what you see her in the place base we have it. You see me? When you told me see this thing set base, you can't really look your relationship in like, you know. Ronaldo, big up yourself, bro. You can't look your relationship like in a private anymore. You understand? Because it's not gonna work out. Because watch now, at the safest way right now for the relationship because police watching us, soldier watching us, and the government watching us. Understand? So no one can tamper with our business. You understand? You laugh. I just want to ask you one last time: are you married, single, divorced, or are you without?
Single.
Okay, baby. So, you know, I'm trying to get to know you and stuff like that. Okay, and I like you. You're a down to earth girl. You know how much girl when they drink a bag juice on the live. That's what I like about you. You see, I'm just getting to know you, and I like more things. Each time I get to know you, I like more. Drink your bag juice, girl. My side, one more roll. And I like your patience. You understand? And your teeth them look white. They don't look yellow like mine.
Okay.
Yeah, man, but me I brush my teeth them still. But when them go to dentist to brush my teeth and like dentist I say, yo, he don't have no machine for brushing my teeth. So what the dentist tell me to do is buy a wash brush and some fab. So what me do, me don't buy a wash brush already. Me just wait for a piece of money to make a file so I can buy fab. My side double. That's your brother, right?
Yes, with favor.
Oh, okay. I understand.
How you go, Al? Are we the going by? No.
Yo, want all I wanna go for that girl, you understand? She's gonna be she not give me a chance yet, but me I try with her, you understand? Cause she seems to be humble. I like humble girls. I don't like girls that is
Me I say?
yes.
Me a twin, right? My brother just passed. Me travel, right? He doesn't travel. He has like mental issue, them fuck him up. So
Like somebody
me,
try obey him.
no, with weed business, them fuck him up.
Oh, weird. Then
Them
buy
fuck him
weed
up.
stand jerky.
I really don't know, but he's not
A jerky
himself.
said they fucking read them, you know.
And I came back like last December, month and a half ago. I come.
Mm-hmm.
I'm literally come because you know you had a half, and I feel like I don't want to go away until he is back on track. So, more while I come over here, of course, we can make and see. I'm not rich. I work as an assistant manager for one spy, yes, but I'm not rich. But just come sometime for just talk and feel clear my head and get out of the field I'm in,
Yeah, you have to keep yourself active, you know.
right?
You have to keep yourself active. You can't make them drain your energy, you know, understand? And you have to just try your best to try to see if you can fix back your dog, you understand?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that we live in an evil world, you know. That's why so many people born with now, curving even born, you know. Yeah,
Crazy.
man. Yeah, man, I trust China more than how I trust black people, you know?
Mm-hmm.
Mm. But I don't know, I'm there for free your mind still. You understand? We can bring happiness to your life and things. As I mean, when we make piece of money, we can send income get same way. As I mean, because I'm today in an internet relationship around the place and you know, with their son, they talk with their son, we not even know what life bring. Right now, oh, rascal, that's a take piece of TikTok, but then I say TikTok are that long in 19. We can't reach before 19 of January, you know?
No, not. Where are you streaming from?
Huh?
Where are you streaming from?
Jamaica land we love.
Yes, we Jamaicans won't be affected by it.
So you where you streaming from?
Jamaica, I'm home now.
Oh, okay, because you know, because you asked me where I'm at. I'm don't look like a Jamaican to you.
Yeah, but come on, who am I to judge? You could be. I'm a Jamaican, and sometimes people say, "Oh, she's not a Jamaican," but I'm a Jamaican.
Okay. Ronald,
So
big up yourself, my dog. Bagaroo.
only going to affect like persons living in the states whose TikTok is registered under America. Like this TikTok that I'm streaming from, it was registered here in Jamaica, but I have another account that's registered in America, so I know that account
Yeah,
will
man, I
be.
said, yes. Then you can't down TikTok still in a chain. I know we are doctor still in a top banks president. This in a US trade, I mean. And I'm going to call the boy Trump and make him know, say, don't fuck with the thing, cause me kill him. Bad man in the business, you know? Yeah, man. Whole place afraid of me, man. Ask about top banks, man. Everybody afraid of me, man. From here, I say everybody I put up, you see me? Man, give me a craving here there. Man, so I can meet her daughter in law. Here she named Tia. She's from Canada, but she currently in Jamaica right now. Drinking a bag juice. Yo, Javi, can I queer come give me the dog? My side, on top of the screen, top of the screen. All who on a bum buck clock, if you don't go on one, please. Me no want to know about you. Now get on now. Today a Sunday, today a big Sunday. I can't say nothing, dog. Gonna go on one, man. Today a Sunday, we there look for money. We now look friend found in a dog. You see it? When I send me sitting, man. And I send be a donut and sitting and donut go for a car.
Aaron,
Ronald alone I send.
friend is here.
Hold on I send be a fucker. We need Cheeros to catch your speed. Cheeros. Don't worry yourself, Tia. Tia name, right?
Tia Maria.
T Marie, eh? T Marie.
Tia Maria.
T Maria.
Tia Maria, the liquor Tia Maria.
Think I, isn't me? Think I boxing her though.
Hey, one. Gonna bring out the TV.
Well,
Alright, we ain't going
I'm
there.
here. I'm here trying to look at money to build a house because this is where I live. This is my baby. This is my house. You know.
Okay.
Yeah. See, I have my kitchen. See, I have my kitchen around here. This is my kitchen. This is the fire stick. You know. and my bottle of water, you know. You know, and I drink this to get my dick stiff.
Oh my God.
My side, chipper, 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 chipper.